investie besties, welcome back to the channel. If you are new around here, welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank y'all so much for coming back. I do appreciate all of you guys being here. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We are a family of 5 and we are trying to achieve something called FIRE, which is financial independence, retire early, financial independence, relax early, financial independence, rest early, whatever it is. We are going to achieve it, and we are going to do it with a $5 million net worth, and $2.5 million of that will be invested in stocks and real estate, cryptocurrency, NFTs, and all of that. So if you want to know how we're going to do this, you want to see real numbers, you want to come into our accounts, you want some inspiration and motivation, beginner investing content, you just want to know how to build your wealth, okay? You are at the right place. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and join us. And if you are a returning investie bestie, y'all already know, thank you so much for coming here. I really do appreciate all of your support. By the way, guys, I had no idea something called a super thanks existed. So thank you guys for sending them. When I got them, I was like, what is a super thanks? And then I saw Chris over at Just Budgeting, because she put a video out, and I was like, oh, that's what that was. I think it's something new that YouTube had just created for their creators. So thank you so much for all of you who continue to just support and pour in to me, you know, my channel, my brand, MT, really trying to change the face of wealth. And if you guys want to do that, no obligation or like salesy pitch or anything, but it's down below. So thank you in advance to everyone who continue to support me, whether it's the website, whether it's Patreon, whether it's just coming back and leaving a like or a comment. I really do appreciate all of you guys helping me to become the Oprah of the investing world. Also, guys, I wanted to check in and see how you were doing with May's investing challenge. We are investing in Amazon, which they're about to do a split. So, I mean, we're getting into some good things. You guys picked some good ones, and we are investing in the Fidelity Consumer Discretionary ETF. So I really am excited about it. I hope that you guys are putting aside your $1 a days, your $5 a days, your $10 a days, whatever your dollar a days is. Make sure you are saving up for it. If you are new to the channel and you like, wait a minute, what is the investing challenge? This is something I created several months ago. We are in our 7th month of doing this channel consecutively together. I created a tracker that I have for $1, always up on the website for $1. You use the tracker. You can put money aside every day to save at the end of the month. You make your transactions, or you can make them every time you get paid, whatever you want to do them. But the idea is at the end of the month, you want to have your positions purchased, okay? And you guys vote, and whatever the majority picks is our picks for that month. And so today's video, we're going to be talking about our dividends and passive income for the month of April. And you saw the thumbnail. So yes, we are still getting paid when the stock market is crashing. We are still getting paid as the stock market enters a bear market or a recession, perhaps. We are still getting paid when everything is red. How are we getting paid, do you ask? Oh, I'm glad you asked. Dividends, okay? Dividends. Now, at the end of this video, where you see like our total passive income report for April, you will see like our rental income, interest income, all of that. But I cannot tell you how much I love dividends. It is it's the best type of passive income, because literally you do nothing. That's the epitome of passive income, is making money in your sleep, making money driving in your car, making money while I'm watching Netflix, making money doing nothing. And we also have some side hustle income as well that I will share at the end of this video. But I love me some dividends. And speaking of loving me some dividends, today's video is being sponsored by Webull. So first off, thank you so much, Webull, for partnering with me. I love the fact that I can partner with a brand that I already use. So see, that's the thing, is when a brand or a sponsorship company reach out and you already use their product, I don't even really need to like have like, okay, this is what you say. I don't, because I use their product. I talk about their product on my channel often, and it's Webull. And I use Webull for our like starter companies, maybe SPAC companies that are still in its infancy stage, that we feel like still have a lot of room. So I am going to be putting a video out talking about those companies in detail. But today's video, I'm going to be sharing my Webull account and any dividends we received in that, and the company that we did receive those dividends from. But Webull has a really great promotion that they're giving to my investie besties right now. So if you click on my link below and you put in at least 1 cent, 1 penny into a brand new account, so you got to open up a new account, they will give you 5 free stocks. So if you open up an account, just by opening it up, you will get 2 free stocks, which could be valued up to $300. And if you put at least a penny, so look at this, a penny. So I know y'all got one of these in that Beat Inflation Challenge, right? You got one of these in the bottom of your purse, in your wallet? What about your cup holder in your car? Or did you find one on the ground? You could get 5 free stocks that could be valued up to $300. And I love when companies, especially in this inflationary period, that want your business, okay? And I know Robinhood has been having some good promotions. M1 Finance just ended a great promotion of $50. And now we have deposit a penny, a penny for 5. I mean, like, come on, y'all, come on. So if you are interested, and you will see that video coming out soon where I'm going to be talking more about the stocks we're looking at that are still in this infancy stage that we feel like have a lot of room. So if you want to be ready for that video, make sure you use my link to open up an account. And I'll tell you 3 things that I really like about Webull, just from a customer. I've been using Webull for 2 years now. I love the fact that you can purchase and sell stocks or funds before and after the stock market officially opens. So trivia time. Can you tell me the standard time that the stock market is open from Monday through Friday? And give me the time zone too, because that's very important. So what's the official time that the stock market is open? Monday through Friday. But the great thing about Webull that you cannot do with M1 Finance is that you can buy and sell shares before the stock market opens and after the stock market closes as well. So I purchase a lot of just fun fact, I purchase a lot of our stocks after hours, between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. That is when I purchase a lot of our stocks outside of Robinhood. I think Robinhood allows you to make purchases after hours up to like 6 o'clock. But I like to do mine between 7 p.m. and 8 p.m. because I feel like I'm getting the best price. A lot of the sell-off has happened already, and I feel like I'm getting the best price for our money. Another thing that I do like about Webull is that you can communicate, you can interact with other investors. So they have a community tab. You guys know I'm big on, forums and talking with other investors like myself. I love knowing what other people are doing, the directions, their reasoning behind it versus like some analysts on TV. So they have a community tab, and I love being able to chat with other people. And the other reason why I do love Webull is that they let you see, like, if you want to know a little bit more about how to research stocks, how to find out more information about news being released, you can see global markets, you can see how crypto is doing. If you're into option trading, if you're a beginner, do not get into option trading. But if you are into that, Webull gives you access to that. And I really like the layout of that platform. So yes, if you are interested and you got your penny, go open up an account. You got a spouse, open up an account for them too, so that you can go ahead and get your free 5 stocks. Okay, so again, thank you, Webull, so much for reaching out and partnering with me. I really am super excited about it, and I would not have been able to get here if it wasn't for all of my investie besties. So I'm sending virtual hugs to all of you, and again, thank you so much, Webull. So let's get into the dividends. So I'm going to break this down. We're going to do Webull, we're going to do M1 Finance, we're going to do Robinhood, and then I'm going to end this video with our total passive income update for the month of April. We've made some good money, some good progress, but again, it's about being consistent, and that's what I'm trying to hopefully teach you guys, is to be consistent. You can do it, believe in yourself, and just step out, and you got this, okay? And so let's start with Webull. We received 1 dividend for the month of April that was in the company. And you see me looking at because I'm looking at my laptop. And you see the screenshots up on the screen as well. MFA Financial. So we received $1.11 from them in Webull. And we're just going to get the money reinvested. So you can get your dividends either paid out in cash, just like withdraw the money from your investment account to your bank account, or just get it reinvested back into the same dividend. Or some people will just get their dividends paid out and just maybe buy a new company with their dividends. Whatever it is, that's the freedom of getting paid, okay, through these companies, that you can do whatever you want to do. But we're trying to build up our dividend portfolio so that we can have some money to live off of during those early retirement years. So that's was just the 1 dividend that we received in Webull for the month of April. Let's move on to M1 Finance. Received 1 dividend as well for the month of April, and that was for $1.08 in Walmart, which was one of the picks that you guys selected for our investing challenge. So great company, and I love getting paid for doing nothing. I was going to invest in Walmart anyway, but for them to pay me to invest, can't beat it with a stick, right? So let's move on to Interactive Brokers. We got one dividend there, and O, ticker symbol O, which is Realty Income. It is a REIT. It was also one of the picks for April's investing challenge as well. So I'm really happy about this. And we received $24.70 in dividends from our Interactive Brokers account. And that money was reinvested right back into the position so that we can continue to grow our 100 shares that we have over there. Yes, we have 100 shares of O Realty Income in that Interactive Brokers account. And then the final account that I'm going to be talking about, now we do have 15 accounts, but I always talk about the same like 4 accounts on this channel: Webull, Interactive Brokers, Robinhood, and M1 Finance. So let's go ahead and do Robinhood right now. All right, guys, so let's go to Coca-Cola. So Coca-Cola, we had 31.18 shares at the time this dividend was paid out. We received 44 cents per share for a total of $13.72 for the month of April in Coca-Cola. And I did buy some more Coca-Cola as well. Next is Iron Mountain. We received our dividend on April 6th. We received $1.62. We had 2.62 shares. We received 61 cents per share, like I said, for a total of $1.62. Really love Iron Mountain. Moving on to Main Street Capital. This is another REIT, and they do pay every month. So we received $5.41. We had 25.16 shares at the time this was paid on April 14th. We received 21 cents per share, like I said, for a total of $5.41. Moving on to Realty Income. We have Realty Income in several of our accounts. I also have Realty Income in my SEEP for MT Finance as well. So we received $12.39 over here in Robinhood. That was for 50.17 shares. We received 24 cents per share for a total of $12.39. That was paid to us on April 18th. Moving on to Cisco Systems, another really good company. Total we received was $9.03. We received that on April 27th. That was for 23.75 shares. We received 38 cents per share, like I said, for a total of $9.03. And then lastly, we received a dividend from Altria. Now, let me tell you a little bit about this particular dividend. So we received $57.61 from Altria. I'm typing in that ticker symbol so that you see it up on your screen as well. Altria is currently trading at $51.60. So we received, like, we hit a new milestone in our dividend journey of getting a dividend payout that could buy us a whole share of the company that we received that payout for, if that makes sense. So if Altria is currently trading at $51.60 and our dividend was for $57 and some change, that means that dividend is buying us over a whole share of that company. This is the level of dividend investing, dividend income that I'm trying to get to. I'm trying a dividend payout, I'm telling you guys, of $57.61. So this will buy us like 1.05 shares of Altria. So I'm super excited about this. And this was given to us on April 29th, but the stock has been kind of trading sideways since then. Anyway, so again, I love this and I'm so happy about that. And you will see up on your screen me filling in my dividend tracker. If you want a copy of your own, you can go to my website, mt1finance.com. I love using pen and paper, and then I transcribe everything over to my spreadsheets. So I know some people choose one or the other. I'm like, why not both? Okay, so I love using my dividend trackers to track, my progress, any payments I received, and then how much the dividends were, and then I transcribe them over to my spreadsheet. If you want to know more about dividends, like payouts, how to find companies, how to research companies, consider joining our Dividend Patreon group. Information is down below. We meet once a month. It's private in a comfortable setting, and we really break down a dividend company, and we talk about ways you can grow your income that way, because it's one of the best, if not the best, form of passive income. Okay, guys, so those are our dividend payments for the month of April. We received a total of 12 dividend paychecks. That was Interactive Brokers, that was Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Webull. Don't forget to get your penny and open up your Webull account. Thank you so much, Webull, for sponsoring this video. So let's turn this camera around, and we are going to see how much passive income and side hustle income did we make for April. Okay, let's do this. All right, guys, so we are here in our passive income tracker. So let's go on and see how our money did in terms of passive and side income for the month of April. So we do have 2 rentals right here, $1,800. And we also have our new rental. Yes, we did increase the rent on one of our properties. I thought we did a great job increasing it, considering we didn't do it for the past 2 years. And we just have increased property taxes. I mean, there's no way around it. And our tenant was actually very happy. He thought it was going to be like $500 or something like that. We try to be fair. We are running a business here, but we do believe if you have good tenants, you want to keep them. Okay. And so $1,800 for that. Dividends. So you saw my dividend breakdown. So April was a little lower, but again, we're going to take every gain that we can get. And remember, I just showed you dividends in 4 accounts. We have 15 of them. We did get a nice chunk in our Fidelity account. That was about $300. We have a dividend in our Roth IRA. So remember, we have 3 Roth IRAs, and 2 of them we have O Realty Income and SCHD. So we did get big dividend payouts there as well, but I don't include that. I'm trying to include just like the taxable accounts. If you want to know what taxable accounts are and how they differ from tax deferred accounts and tax free investing accounts, check out this video somewhere up on the screen. Next is MT, my website. We made $378.99. So thank you all for purchasing like the investing workbook, for booking a session, for getting the trackers. I mean, again, it's hard to break through the investing world, and to see a lot of you guys coming back, supporting me, I really, really do appreciate it. I hope that you guys can see the value in the products that I make and the services that I offer. I really do pour my heart and my soul into the things that I have there, and I really want you to know that I appreciate it, and I hope that it can help you further your financial goals as well. Next is YouTube. So we made $126.69 in the month of April. So again, thank you guys so much for supporting me, for liking the videos. It's getting out there. The content is getting out there. So thank you so much. Next is another side hustle. So that's Patreon. So I do have a Patreon. We meet twice a month. I have a general live that I do over there. Questions that you may have that you may not want to ask on a general channel. If you have questions about your particular finances and you want to ask them there, that's fine. And we also have a dividend group over there as well, and buy me a coffee. So thank you guys. I mean, there's so many ways that you guys support me on this channel, even now with the super thanks. So thank you so much. So total was $125.24. Next is referrals, and I do have referrals spelled wrong here. I'll fix that off screen. But we received $39.99. So I did get 2 referrals in M1. They're now $10. So if you want to open up an M1 account, I also received a referral, 2 referrals in Robinhood, actually 3. So thank you guys so much for using my links. And now that I'm partnering with Webull, if you want to open up an account, put a penny in, get your 5 free stocks valued up to $300. Take advantage, y'all. Take advantage. So $39.99. Next is cashback. I've been spending some money, y'all. A lot of stuff going on. My daughter's Sweet 16, a lot of deposits going on. We're about to go dress shopping soon. I'm really excited about that. Let's hope I can stay on my budget. Let's hope. That's what my husband is. He's hoping. Okay. $175. And then interest, $26. It's higher this month because we have that $50,000 in cash for our 3rd rental sitting over there. So that's that. No surveys on a go. I need to take this line item out. I haven't did a surveys on a go since December, November. Rakuten, $15. Got to get that cash back. And then other family, we received a $100 gift. So I don't really know how to like input gifts we receive as a family. So I just include it in passive income, and I'll probably either save it or like maybe order to go from a nice restaurant for all of us. So the total passive / side income for the month of April is $4,717.04. Okay, so that's really, really good. Let's see how much we made so far this year. Let me take you over in my tracker. So that's $20,137.06 we have made so far in 2022, and that was 4 months so far. So it's really great to see that. Let's scroll down. So I have our passive income graph here. Just again, every little bit helps. It also took out January and February, so maybe I cannot hide the colors. I may have to just zoom in some more. It may look super big on your screen, but it is what it is. So just transparent. I'm not editing this out, but you see the numbers here. That's what you guys want to see, is the numbers. And then if we scroll on over, let's scroll on over. Okay. So this is just a passive income chart, just a mini chart I have here. So you see January, February, March, in April, so we're doing really good. So far, we made $20,137.06. So if we come over here, our total 2022 passive income goal, if you want to see our passive and investing goals and real estate goals and all our goals for 2022, check out the video somewhere up on the screen. You can go back and take a look. But our total passive income goal for this year was $75,000 for passive income side income goal. So $75,000, that means currently we have $20,137.06. So that means we are 26.85% of the way there, and we have $54,862.94. But I think for 4 months so far in 2022, having $20,137.06 that we earned is pretty darn decent, right? Outside of it, like, the 9 to 5, this is pretty awesome. So I'm glad at the progress that we are making when it comes to our side incomes. I really am excited about that. Let me know how you guys are doing with your side or passive incomes. Do you track it? If you do you track it like monthly? Do you track it quarterly? Let me know down below. Hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. Information is down below. And until next time, you guys already know, I'll see you in the next one, okay? Have a good one. Bye-bye.